Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, stool crafts ideas. Some amazing Stonecraft ideas. So let's start today's videos. Friends, stone candle holder. Arrange stone in a circle and glue them together to create a candle holder. You can also stick stone for a star candle stand, perfect for a relaxing home decoration. Stone art. Use white or colorful paints, pen, and draw patterns on dark stones. These become beautiful decoration pieces. People with her home decoration right here. Stone jewelry ideas. Flat polished stones can be turned into pendant keychains or bracelets. Just a small hole or warp wire around the stones. This gives a natural style jewelry look. Stone wall art frame. Weavers. Stone in the shape of a tree, heart, or glue them into a container or wooden ball, put in a frame, and you have a stunning handmade wall decoration piece. Your stone crafts, plants for garden. Paint stone with names of vegetables, white mint,